In our quest to change cabbage juice into a variety of colors by changing the pH level, we have seen that the number of hydrogen and hydroxide ions becomes almost ridiculous to read and write. For example, you need 100 trillion more hydrogen ions than hydroxide ions to make an acid with pH level 0. Also, 100 trillion more hydroxide than hydrogen ions will create a pH level of 14. Why are the ion numbers so enormous, but the pH scale numbers are so simple, just 0 to 14? Scientists use three tools to deal with the gigantic number of atoms and molecules: scientific notation, moles, and logarithmic functions. Scientific notation is used to write numbers in a compact format by using a coefficient, time symbol, base, and exponent. For example, 1000 is written as 1 times 10 to the third power. The exponent number is how many places you move to the left from the decimal point. Think of it as 1000 is equal to 1 times 10 times 10 times 10. The coefficient is just the number in front. For example, changing from 1000 to 6000 only changes the coefficient. Scientific notation is more convenient when you have really big or really small numbers, which often occur in science. For instance, 60 million is 6 times 10 to the 7th power. 6 times 10 to the 23rd power looks ridiculous, but it is a very important number in chemistry and the pH scale. It is called Avogadro's number. Scientific notation also works for numbers between 0 and 1, like 6 millionths, which can be written as 6 times 10 to the minus 6. For these numbers, count from the decimal point to the right and use a negative sign with the exponent. The coefficient comes from the last placeholder number. Now it is easier to write the ratio of ions in the pH scale. Write 100 million as 1 times 10 to the 8th power, and 100 trillion as 1 times 10 to the 14th power. This gives us a hint about why the pH scale goes to 14. But why does it start at 0 with 7 in the middle? Practice using scientific notation in the quiz, then we'll look at how Avogadro's immense number and moles can be used to explain it.